Hello, and welcome to Flowers & Associates Creative Learning, your go-to resource for tips and advice on managing your rental property. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of being a landlord, screening your tenants. Screening your tenants is crucial to ensuring a positive rental experience for both you and your tenants. In this video, we'll cover some tips for effectively screening potential tenants before you rent out your property. Hi, I'm Robert Flowers, Senior Instructor of Flowers & Associates Creative Learning. I've helped property owners, landlords, and managers achieve maximum rental income from non-producing properties using proven strategies that works. Okay, let's dive in. Tip 1. Verify employment and income. The first thing you want to do when screening potential tenants is to verify their employment and income. You want to make sure that your tenants have a steady source of income that can cover their rent and other expenses. Ask for pay stubs, employment letters, or tax returns to verify their income. You can also call their employer to verify their employment status. Tip 2. Conduct background and credit checks. Another important aspect of tenant screening is conducting background and credit checks. You want to know if your potential tenant has a history of evictions, criminal activity, or other red flags. Conducting a background check can also verify the information provided by the tenant, such as their employment and rental history. Credit checks can give you an idea of their financial responsibility and can help you avoid tenants who have a history of late or missed payments. Tip 3. Request references. Requesting references from previous landlords, employers, or personal references can also help you get a better understanding of your potential tenant. Ask for contact information and make sure to follow up with these references to verify the tenant's character, reliability, and history as a renter. Tip 4. Trust your gut. If something feels off about a potential tenant, it's important to listen to your instincts. While screening your tenants can give you valuable information, it's ultimately up to you to decide if a tenant is a good fit for your rental property. In conclusion, screening your tenants is a crucial step in ensuring a positive rental experience for both you and your tenants. By verifying employment and income, conducting background and credit checks, requesting references, and trusting your gut, you can find the right tenant for your rental property. That's all I have for now. But before I leave, I would like to share with you our workshop on increasing and stabilizing your rental income, which goes more into depth in stabilizing your rental income to your existing property, or if you're about to purchase your first property. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on managing your rental property to your success.